Good evening. I would like to represent a multiplication problem 4 different ways. So, our math problem this evening is 15 times 3. And I first want to demonstrate this with the model. Right there. Okay. 15 times 3. Okay. So we'll start with a little angle box here, I like to call it. Okay. And we have 15 times 3. And we want to represent the 10 with the little box here on top as our 10. And then we have 5 ones. We want to represent that with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's 10 plus 5 ones is 15 times 3. We want to come over here onto the side. Do our 1, 2, and 3 ones on the side here. And so we are multiplying. So we need to show this inside of our angle that we're multiplying this 3 times. So our 10s need to be represented 3 times because it's 15 times 3. So we'll do, that's 10, 20, and 30. Same way with our 1s. They need to be represented 3 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 again. Okay. And then they kind of like little teeth, don't they? Okay. And then 5 again. And 5. All right. So let's count and see what we have here. So that's 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So here, the 10s, we have a 30 there. And with the 1s, we have 15. And then 30 plus 15 gives us 45. And then, of course, our 15 times 3 equals 45. And so this is how we represent 15 times 3 with the model this way. Okay. All right. Our next one we want to show you is, we'll clear this out, is our partial product. Our partial product. Okay. Partial product. I'm sorry, that is just so terrible. But anyway, still we're doing 15 times 3 again. I want to show this 4 ways. This is our second way, partial product. And so we'll start with drawing a box here. Okay. And we'll just do a line right down the middle. And so we have 10 here. So we want to represent that 10 and the 15 right here. So there, that represents the 10s. Then we have 5 ones, so we want to put the 5 here. Okay. And then we have times 3, so we want to put our 3 right here on the side. Okay. There's our 3. Now, what we want to do is multiply our 10 times 3, which is 30. Okay. And then we want to multiply 5 times 3, which is 15. Okay. And then again, we do a little add up here at 30. 30 plus 15 is 5. 3 and 1 is 4. So we have 45. So that is our answer. So 15 times 3 equals 45. And I love these different ways that we can do a problem because it gives our children more than one way to do something. With math, they're not just stuck with one way to do a problem. They've got other options. So there is that partial product. Okay, so let's clear that. All right, our next one is our algorithm. Okay, it's our algorithm. I don't really say it the best though, but but anyway, sorry for how the print is on this, but anyway, our algorithm, and again, we're still doing 15 times 3. And all we do here is simply 15 times 3, okay? And of course, 5 times 3 is 15. We put our 1 down, 5 down, sorry, carry 1. And then 1 times 3 is 3, plus the 1 is 4. And that's all you simply do with algorithm. It's just straightforward. 15 times 3 equals 45. That's our algorithm. And we'll clear that out. And one of my favorite, I absolutely love this option, if you will, to do a math problem or multiplication problem, and that's a lattice. I love this. I just love it. Anyway, again, 15 times 3, and this time we're going to draw a bigger box here for us. Okay, that's good enough. All right, and then we're going to draw a line straight down and a line across, and then we're going to bring a line through the middle here and down. And then we're going to bring a line down through here and a line down through there. Okay. Now this is different from our partial product because we actually broke down the numbers and we did a 10 and a 5. This time we will not break it down in that way. 15 times 3, we're actually going to just bring down the 1 here and the 5 there. Then we have our 3. So here would be a 0 and then here would be 3. Okay, now what I like about this lattice, we can draw little lines further here. What I like about it is that we can also put in, I can write it good, ones. This is our tens, this is our hundreds, and this is our thousands. Okay, this is very helpful for the children. The ones, the tens, the hundreds, and thousands. I just like doing that. But anyway, so we will begin with, and I'll also like to put little times there. So then we would say 1 times 0 is 0, of course. So it'd be a 0 here and a 0 there. Then we would say 5 times 0, which is 0 again and 0 there. Then our next thing would be 1 times 3, and that would be a 0 there and a 3 here. And then 5 times 3, which is 15. Okay, once you've done that, you simply just have to just add as you need here and drop down the numbers where they need to go. So this is our 1 section. So all we have here is our 5. So we bring the 5 down. Then we go to our 10 section and we see we have the 3 and the 1 here. 3 plus 1 is 4. So we bring the 4 down. Okay. Then we look at our hundreds. Of course, they're all 0, so there's nothing there. Our thousands place, nothing there, 0. Of course, it leaves us with 45. So the answer is 45. And of course, 5 times 3 equals 45. And those are our ways to do a problem, in this case, a multiplication problem. And again, out of all of these options, I absolutely love lattice, and I do love the partial product as well. But all of these are great ways to give options for the children to arrive at the same answers. All right. Thank you so much for your time.